ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കേട്ടറ്റ് കാറ്റഗറി 3 നാച്ചുറൽ സയൻസ് എക്സാമിന്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് വൺ ഓഫ് ദി ഫോളോവിങ് ഈസ് എ ഹെർമഫ്രോഡൈറ്റ്? ഓപ്ഷൻസ് നോക്കാം. എ ലീച്ച്, ബി പിൻവോം, സി അസ്കാരിസ് ആൻഡ് ഡി ഹൂക്വോം. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ leech. Next question, connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda is option A Limulus, option B Peripatus, option C Tubifex and option D Entropius. Answer option B Peripatus. Next question, a hyperglycemic hormone is option A thymosin, option B insulin, option C glucagon and option D vasopressin. Answer option C glucagon. Next question, YAC is option A yeast artificial cell, option B yeast amplified cell, C yeast artificial chromosome and D yeast amplified chromosome. Answer option C yeast artificial chromosome. Next question, the number of microtubules in a centriole is option A 9 triplets, option B 9 doublets, option C 6 triplets and option D 6 doublets. Answer option A 9 triplets. Next question, shrinking of animal cells is known as A plasmolysis, B pyrolysis, C anaphylaxis and D crenation. Answer option D crenation. Next question, tumors arising from cells in connective tissue, bone or muscle are called option A sarcoma, option B carcinoma, option C lymphoma and option D myeloma. Answer option A sarcoma. Next question, which one of the following is not related to homologous organs? Option A doing similar function, B similar in anatomy, option C inherited from a common ancestor and option D similar developmental pattern. Answer is option A doing similar functions. Next question, the plant source colchicine is belonging to the family options A Malvaceae, option B Solanaceae, option C Leguminosae and option D Liliaceae. Answer is option D Liliaceae. Next question, GEAC stands for A Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, B Genome Engineering Action Committee, option C Genetic and Engineering Approval Council and option D Global Environmental Action Council. Correct answer is option A Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Next question, the region in which the DNA is wrapped around a cluster of histone proteins is called option A nucleosome, option B mesosome, option C desmosome and option D centrosome. Correct answer is option A nucleosome. Next question, the breakdown of alveoli that reduce the surface area for gas exchange leads to a disease called option A asphyxia, option B hypoxia, option C anorexia and option D emphysema. Correct answer is option D emphysema. Next question, human Y chromosome is option A telocentric, option B metacentric, Option C, submetacentric, and option D, acrocentric. Answer is option D, acrocentric. Adutha question. The maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forced expiration is called options A, expiratory capacity, option B, inspiratory capacity, option C, residual volume, and option D, vital capacity. Answer is option D, vital capacity. Next question. Mule is option A, inbreed, option B, interspecific hybrid, option C, intergeneric hybrid, and option D, crossbreed. Answer is option D, crossbreed. Next question. The primary lymphoid organs are options നോക്കാം. A, thymus and liver, B, thymus and spleen, C, bone marrow and thymus, and D, spleen and bone marrow. Answer is option C, bone marrow and thymus. Next question. Which among the plant growth regulator is a terpene derivative? Option A, ABA or abscisic acid, option B, ethylene, option C, GA3 or gibberellic acid, and option D, indole acetic acid or IAA. Correct answer is option C, GA3. Next question. Greenhouse gases include option A, CO2, CO, option B, CO2 and SO2, option C, CO2 and methane, option D, methane and SO2. Correct answer is option C, CO2 and methane. Next question. Peptide hormone which decreases blood pressure is secreted by A, atrial wall, B, ventricle wall, C, bundle of His, and D, chordae tendineae. Answer is option A, atrial wall. Next question. Taq polymerase is isolated from option A, fungus, option B, bacteria, option C, protozoa, and option D, mycoplasma. Answer is option B, bacteria. Next question. Podocytes are seen in option A, alveoli, option B, stomach, option C, Bowman's capsule, and option D, liver. Answer is option C, Bowman's capsule. Next question. Polymer of fructose is A, inulin, B, codeine, C, gluten, D, lecithin. Answer option A, inulin. Next question. The forebrain consists of A, cerebrum, pons, thalamus, option B, cerebrum, hypothalamus and medulla oblongata, option C, cerebrum, pons and hypothalamus, and option D, cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Answer is option D, cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Next question. Which among the following trait is applicable to monocot stems? Option A, phloem parenchyma, option B, interfascicular cambium, option C, centrifugal xylem, and option D, conjoined collateral closed bundles with sclerenchymatous bundle caps. Answer is option D, conjoined collateral closed bundles with sclerenchymatous bundle caps. Next question. Diffuse porous woods are characteristic of plants growing in option A, alpine region, option B, tropics, option C, temperate climate, and option D, cold winter region. Answer is option B, tropics. Next question. Interkinesis is a stage between option A, G2 and M phase, option B, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, option C, telophase and cytokinesis, and option D, diakinesis and metaphase. Answer is option B, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Next question. In plants, the site of photoperiodic response is option A, bud, option B, flower, option C, leaf, and option D, shoot apex. Answer is option C, leaf. Another question. In most higher plants, ammonia is assimilated primarily into option A, alpha ketoglutaric acid, option B, glutamic acid, option C, aspartic acid, and option D, asparagine. Answer is option B, glutamic acid. Another question. Which among the following statements is not applicable to filiform apparatus? Option A, it is a special cellular thickening at the tip of the antipodals. Option B, it guides the pollen tube into synergids. Option C, useful for absorption and transportation of materials from the nucleus to embryo sac. And option D, it helps in the liberation of male gametes from the pollen tube. Answer is option A, it is a special cellular thickening at the tip of the antipodals. Next question. Which among the following is the only one mechanism that brings genetically different types of pollen grains to stigma? Option A, autogamy, option B, cleistogamy, option C, geitonogamy, and option D, xenogamy. Answer is option D, xenogamy. Another question. Dash is a hydrocolloid produced by some Phaeophyceae. Options A, algin, option B, carrageen, option C, cellulose, and option D, starch. Correct answer is option A, algin. Another question. Sexual reproduction in volvox is A, isogamous, B, anisogamous, C, oogamous, and D, zoospores. Answer is option C, oogamous. Next question. The reserved food in Rhodophyceae is option A, starch, option B, floridine starch, option C, mannitol, and option D, laminarian. Answer is option B, floridine starch. Another question. The function of green glands is option A, excretion, option B, respiration, option C, reproduction, and option D, locomotion. Answer is option A, excretion. And the last question. The scientist who is known as the Darwin of the 20th century is option A, Ernest Haeckel, option B, Ernest Mayr, option C, Meyerholt, and option D, Embedded. Answer is option B, Ernest Mayr. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനായി വീഡിയോ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്